Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 11. In previous class, we have discussed the various channels of digital marketing, and with this, we have completed the part of digital marketing. In today's class, we will be discussing about a new concept which you all might have heard or know, but this concept is very important in marketing, and in present scenario even this concept is being used and it is very important. So this topic or concept is about green marketing. Today we'll see the meaning and definition about green marketing. Green marketing emphasizes on production of long-term welfare of consumers and society by production and use of pure, useful and high quality products without any adverse effect on environment. Here the concept of green marketing is that whatever we are producing, because of that production or while producing that, it should not harm the nature or it should not harm the environment. Now you might have seen that many people are losing their lives because of COVID, and that too during this pandemic. Most of the cases of shortage of oxygen have happened. So all this is because of misuse of nature by a man. So here the green marketing concept is of giving more importance or preparing a setup in such a way that it should not disturb or hamper the natural growth or environment, and the products whatever they are producing or the process of production should not disturb the environment. So mass media have started their campaign for protecting the earth from further deterioration. Because of which everybody is campaigning save earth and all. And worldwide efforts are made to conserve natural water resources and other resources as well. Because in today's situation, the nature need to be preserved, and for that we need to use the natural products. So this green marketing concept has been brought up or given. So green marketing is marketing philosophy that promotes production and selling of pure, that is eco-friendly products with protection of ecological balance. So here green marketing is a philosophy or concept which promotes or gives emphasis on production and selling of pure, that is eco-friendly products with protection of ecological balance. The products what we are producing should not disturb the ecological balance. So this process is known as green marketing. Green marketing encourages production of pure products by pure technology, conservation of energy, prevention of environment, minimum use of natural resources and more use of natural foods instead of processed foods. Efforts of people, social organizations, firms and government in this regards can be said as green marketing efforts. So the overall process or concept of green marketing is encouraging the production of pure and natural products so that the ecological balance is maintained, and the conservation of energy is possible, prevention of environment is possible, and minimum use of natural resources during production processes. And food habits also, using the natural products. That's why nowadays you all might have seen the organic concept has come up, wherein most of the people are using organic vegetables, organic jaggery, organic sugar, etc., etc. So for everything, the natural products people are preferring. So green marketing is, say, a relatively new concept for you all, wherein which involves the promotion of products and services which are safe for the environment. It involves development, manufacturing, promotion, distribution, consumption, and disposal of the product and services in a sustainable fashion so that least damage is caused to the nature. Because if we disturb the nature, we are disturbed and it will disturb our lives. This COVID pandemic has taught us a good lesson for managing or balancing the natural resources. So let us see the definition of green marketing. According to the American Association, marketing is the performance of business activity that direct the flow of business from the producer to consumer. When this business activity is carried out in such a fashion that it is caused the least damage to the environment, it is known as green marketing. Here, the marketing is performing the business activities direct flow of business from the producer to the consumer. But while following this procedure from producer to consumer, the emphasis or importance is given to maintain the natural balance, ecological balance, and with least damage to the environment. So, a 2 marks question may come for your examination. What do you mean by green marketing, or define green marketing? Any of these meanings and one definition you all can write. Green marketing raises the voice against production, consumption, and or disposal of products that anyway harm consumers, the society, and environment. It is necessary that businessmen and users should refrain from harmful products. So this concept of green marketing gives emphasis on production process with the natural resources or with least harm to the nature. So with this we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.